Thanks for watching ShotokuTech. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you very much. Here we are, and it's already time for the August ShotokuTech channel update. First of all, I hit my 100th video right here. I did a remix of my first video, building based Windows images for differencing disks in HyperV. I'll show you in the analytics that my #1 video, my very first video, has been getting top 10 in some of the analytics categories. So it just seemed like the best thing to do for my 100th video was remixing this 13-minute behemoth bore snooze fest. There's like 2 whole minutes in here where there's silence and just me clicking away at stuff, and I cringe every time I look at this video because I was reading from a script. It was very stuffy and stiff, and like I said, it's 13 minutes long. I remixed it into something that's 4 minutes and 20 seconds long, and I hope that you'll check it out if you haven't already. So again, when we're looking at analytics, first of all, this is in the lifetime view. Check out some of my YouTube analytics videos. I'll link them in the description below. 98 subscribers. Thank you all sincerely for subscribing, and if you're considering it, hey, please click that button. If I get to 100, then I can use my custom name instead of having a channel name that's a bunch of gobbledygook. So 100 subscribers will really help me out a lot. You can see I'm really close. When we look at the top videos, yeah, the top 3 are still the top 3. Forget Your Passwords has gone over 1,500 views. Running SYSPREP with the Unattend files, almost at 700. Tier PKI Lab is rocking well into the 500s. People are loving Azure AD Connect, 2 forests, 1 tenant, 435. But you can see what's really blown up my channel in August. You can see here in this lifetime graph, August just lit up, and it's 2 videos about Raspberry Pi. My video about Raspberry Pi as a CAD workstation, and then my video as Raspberry Pi as an OctoPI print server. People are liking my Verizon Ellipsis JetPack Hotspot video. There's lots of other good stuff. I haven't done anything in rockets this month, so rockets have kind of fallen off the map when we look at this. So let's drill down into the top 10 categories, and here you can see basically it's the same view, only different. This column here, if you watch some of my other videos, is the count of how many top 10 categories this particular video is top 10 in. And so you can see out of the 101 videos on my channel, 24 of them have top 10 activity of some sort. And many of them have 4, and then it splits down into a few have 2, and then a lot of them have 1 top 10 in the category. But it's the same videos that we're seeing. Forget Your Passwords, SYSPREP, PKI, AD Connect, Raspberry Pi, AD Connect, Raspberry Pi. Look at this coffee maker video just doesn't stop. It went from just hovering in the teens for months to moving up to nearly 200 views. I'm pretty cool with this 3D printed rocket video being where it's at. And here you see my first video, creating base Windows images in HyperV, has made its place in 2 top 10 categories. And again, so please go see my remix of that. I think you're gonna like that one way better than the first one. So thanks again to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Please take a look around. I hope you find something you enjoy, and thank you very much.